So in elimination method, what are the procedure we have to follow? First I am going to discuss about that things. So very first thing is take a decision. You have to take a decision for which variable you are going to, which variable you are going to eliminate. First you have to take the decision कि which variable you are going to eliminate. Okay, in next step what you have to do, you have to multiply one or both the equation by suitable number. You have to multiply one or both of the equation by suitable number to make the coefficient same, for which you are going to eliminate. मीन्स जिस वेरिएबल को आप एलिमिनेट करने जा रहे हो उसका कोफिशिएंट सेम करना है. एंड इन थर्ड स्टेप, ऐड और सब्सट्रैक्ट बोथ ऑफ द इक्वेशन. Okay, and then after you are able to know how we will solve how we will find out the solution of simultaneous linear equation into two variable. Okay, so add or subtract both of the equation means what? Means there is two things we can do, either we can add or either we can subtract. So at what time we are going to add or at what time we are going to subtract. ठीक है, यहीं पे बच्चे लोग को थोड़ा सा समझाने वाली चीजें हैं. ठीक है बेटा, देखो हम कब ऐड करने जाएंगे? वी आर गोइंग फॉर द एडिशन व्हेन द वेरिएबल विच वी आर गोइंग टू एलिमिनेट आर हैविंग द डिफरेंट साइन. If the variable which we are going to eliminate are having different sign, means in one equation it is having a plus sign and in another equation it is having a minus sign, in that moment we will eliminate both the equation after multiplying or making the coefficient of the eliminated variable same. Okay, or we will subtract when the variable which we are going to eliminate are having the same sign. Okay, if they are having the same sign, it means in both of the equation it may carry minus sign, in both of the equation it may carry plus sign. So in that moment we will subtract either of the equation from another equation. Okay, clear it is? Okay, now I am going to solve one example. By that you will get more information about elimination method, or you can say कि चीजें और clear हो जाएंगी. Okay, so there is one question, 2x minus 5y is equals to 4, which is equation number 1, and 3x minus 2y is equals to 16. We have two equation. You are able to see we have two equation. Okay, now you have to take the decision which variable you are going to eliminate. So I have taken the decision. You can take any decision. It's not depend that whatever I am going to eliminate you should have to be also eliminate the same. It's not at all a compulsion. Okay, so I have taken the decision to eliminate variable y. So what is the coefficient of y over here? 5. Here the coefficient of y is 2. So how we can make the coefficient same? If I will multiply equation 1 by 2, so it will become 2 5 ja 10, and if I will multiply equation 2 by 5, so 5 2 ja 10. Now the coefficient will be same. So what we will write? Multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 5. Okay, now the coefficient, the variable in both of the equation are having same sign, then what we have to do? We have to subtract either of the equation from another equation. Both are having the same sign. So multiply equation 1 by 2 and equation 2 by 5 and subtract equation 1 from 2. You can subtract equation 2 from 1 also, no problem at all. So multiply equation 1 by 2. So 2 2 ja 4x, 2 5 ja 10x, 10y is equals to 2 4 ja 8. Now 5 3 ja 15x. Okay, first I will write equation number 2, equation 1 from 2. So first I will write equation 2. So by what we have to multiply equation 2? We have to multiply equation 2 by 5. So 5 3 ja 15x, 5 2 ja 10y and 16 5 ja 80. Okay, now 2 2 ja 4x, we have to multiply equation 1 by 2. 2 2 ja 4x minus 2 5 ja 10y is equals to 2 4 ja 8. Clear to everyone? Now we have to subtract equation 1 from 2. So for subtraction of algebraic expression, what we are doing? We are changing the sign which is written below to the first equation. So 4x become minus because it is in plus, minus become plus, and this plus become minus. So 15 minus 4, how you will get? 11x. 15x you have positive and 4x negative. So 15x minus 4x become 11x. Minus 10y and plus 10y gonna be cancel out. And 80 minus 8, 10, 8, 2 and 7, 72. So x equals to 72 upon 11. Now you have to put the value of x in any one of the equation. So put the value of x in equation number 1. So 2x minus 5y equals to 4. 2x minus 5y equals to 4. Now put the value of x as 72 upon 11. So 2 into 72 upon 11 minus 5y equals to 4. 72 into 11. 2 2 ja 4, 2 7 ja 14, 144 upon 11 minus 5y equals to 4. So minus 5y equals to 4 minus 144 upon 11. 11 4 ja 44, 44 minus 144 upon 11 minus 5y. So minus 5y equals to minus 100 upon 11. Now minus minus gonna be cancel out. So y equals to 100 upon this 5 will go to the denominator. So 11 5 ja 55. So 100 upon 55 is the value of y and 72 upon 11 is the value of x. Okay students, so this is the second question. Again I have two equations. The very first equation is 3x minus 7 upon 2 minus of 2y minus 8 upon 3 is equals to minus 1. This is the first equation. And 5 minus x upon 3 minus of 3 minus 2y upon 7 is equals to 1. Now these two equation is a linear equation. First we have to simplify both of the equation. What we have to do? We have to simplify both of the equation. So how we can simplify? By applying arithmetic operation, whatever the operation you can apply. So here what we can do hardly, we can take the LCM of 2 and 3. So after taking the LCM of 2 and 3, the LCM of 2 and 3 becomes 6. So 2 3 ja 6. So whatever written in the numerator, it will multiply by 3. So 3 into 3x minus 7 minus of 3 2 ja 6. So 2 into 2y minus 8 equals to minus 1. 3 3 ja 9x, 3 7 ja 21, plus and plus plus, plus and minus minus. Now minus plus minus 2 2 ja 4y and minus minus plus 2 8 ja 16, and this 6 will transfer to other side of equal, so it will become multiply by minus 1. So 6 into minus 1 become minus 6. Now 9x minus 4y and minus 21 plus 16 become minus 5. Minus 21 में से plus 16 जाएगा तो minus 5 बचेगा, and this minus 5 will transfer to other side of equal, become minus 6 plus 5. So ultimately you will get 9x minus 4y is equals to minus 1, which is your equation number 1. 9x minus 4y equals to minus 1. Similarly we are going to solve the second equation also. We will simplify first. So the LCM of 3 and 7 become 21. 3 7 ja 21. So in numerator we will have to multiply by 7. तो 7 into 5 minus x, now minus sign will be there. 7 3 जा 21, तो हम क्या करेंगे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 3 into 3 minus 2y is equals to 1. ओके 7 5 जा 35, 7 into x 7x plus 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 minus 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 plus minus 3 3 ja 9 and minus minus become plus 3 2 ja 6y and 21 is in denominator, it will transfer to the other side of equal, become multiply by 1, so 21 1 ja 21. After solving it, minus 7x plus 6y and 35 minus 9 become plus 26. Now 26 will transfer other side of equal, so minus 7x plus 6y equals to 21 minus 26, so minus 7x plus 6y equals to minus 5. Now what we can do, देखो अक्सर ऐसा होता है कि हमको फर्स्ट टर्म नेगेटिव देखने की आदत नहीं होती, अच्छा नहीं लगता. अगर नेगेटिव है तो भी कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, बट अक्सर ऐसा रहता है कि हम फर्स्ट टर्म नेगेटिव नहीं देखना चाहते हैं, पसंद नहीं आता. तो मुझे पसंद नहीं आता इसलिए मैं ऐसा कर रहा हूँ. अगर आप नहीं भी करोगे तो यू कैन अप्लाई द प्रोसीजर, यू विल गेट द आंसर. तो आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ ऑफ द साइड बाय माइनस, सो दिस माइनस बिकम प्लस, दिस प्लस बिकम माइनस एंड दिस माइनस अगेन बिकम प्लस. Or you can say I am transferring, minus 7x will go to the other side of equal, become plus 7x, plus 6y will go to the other side of equal, become minus 6y, and this minus 5 will come this side of equal, so it will become plus. So 7x minus 6y equals to 5. Now I get two equations in the general form of simultaneous linear equation, and now I have to apply the elimination method. After simplify both of the equation, we get these two equation, which is the general form of linear equation. 9x minus 4y equals to minus 1 and 7x minus 6y equals to 5. क्या करेंगे अब? First we will take the decision कि which variable we are going to eliminate. So I have taken the decision again to eliminate variable y. You can eliminate a variable x also, I don't have any issue. Why I am eliminating equation variable y? You want to know? देखो मैं क्या देखता हूँ कि कहाँ मुझे छोटे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. 4 3 जा 12 एंड 6 2 जा 12, तो एक इक्वेशन में 3 से और दूसरे में 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करूँगा, काम बन जाएगा. बट अगर यहाँ आऊँ तो मुझे इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 7 से और इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा 9 से. तो वाई आई विल गो फॉर द लॉन्ग प्रोसीजर. इन मैथमेटिक्स गो फॉर द शॉर्टकट्स, है ना. मैथमेटिक्स में शॉर्टकट बहुत मैटर करता है. So what we will write? Multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Both the variable in both the places, variable of y is having negative sign, so again same sign, so subtraction will be there. Okay, multiply equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by 2. Subtract इक्वेशन 2 फ्रॉम 1. इस बार मैंने 2 से 1 को सब्सट्रैक्ट 1 से 2 को सब्सट्रैक्ट कर दिया. पिछले बार 2 से 1 को किया था. कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. ओके, तो इक्वेशन 1 by 3, स्टार्ट मल्टीप्लाइंग इक्वेशन 1 by 3. 3 9 जा 27x माइनस 3 4 जा 12y इज इक्वल्स टू 3 1 जा 3, दैट इज माइनस 3. ओके, नाउ 2 7 जा 14x minus 2 6 ja 12y is equals to 2 5 ja 10. We have to subtract because in both of the places it is variable y is carry the same sign. So this is in plus become minus, this is in minus become plus, this is in plus become minus. So 12y cancel out. 7 4 3 2 and 1 27 is in plus, so 13 will be in plus. So 13x equals to minus 10 and minus 3 become minus 13. So x equals to minus 13 upon 13, which is minus 1. We get the value of x as a minus 1. You have to put the value of x in either of the equation. So put the value of x in equation number 1. So 9x minus 4y is equals to minus 1. It is written. Okay. What value of x you have? Minus 1. So 9 into minus 1 minus 4y is equals to minus 1. So 9 1 ja 9, plus and minus become minus 9 minus 4y is equals to minus 1. So mine is equals to minus 1. So minus 4y is equals to minus 1 plus 9. So minus 4y is equals to 8. So y is equals to 8 upon minus 4, which is minus 2. So the solution of the given pair of linear equation into two variable are x as a minus 1 and y as a minus 2. Okay students, so this is it for the today's class. Very soon I will upload the next video for you all, and thank you so much for appreciating my work as well as for motivating me. Thank you so much.